Hi, my name's Leah Cummins. I'm a proud Mayi woman from North-West Queensland, Mayi from my father and Kalkadoon from my mother. I find inspiration in my cultural identity and bringing stories of my country and people to life in my art. I paint stories of strength for women and children, love of the land and all my people. I pay respect to the ancestors who give me these stories in my creativity. I share my culture that transcends word and draws people into wanting to learn about First Nations people. I was delighted to be commissioned by Webuild Group to create the business's third Innovate Reconciliation Action Plan artwork. And I was so pleased to share my artwork with you. This is Growth and Unity. In the heart of this artwork, Webuild stands resolute, a beacon of commitment to reconciliation. Lines of growth extend outwards, a representation of progress that connects Webuild to its clients and the boundless future. Surrounding Webuild are both Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders who contribute to the flourishing journey. Together they form a collective force for positive change. The outer circles unite Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander communities, working harmoniously with Webuild towards a shared destiny. Boomerangs, symbols of strength, find their place alongside emu footprints, embodying agility, the kangaroo footprints ever propelling forward. These ancient symbols echo the resilience and the determination ingrained in the collaborative effort for unity. Blue circles intertwine, connecting hope and dreams to the values and aspirations. These circles represent the shared commitment to growth, harmony, echoing the continuous journey of Webuild. As each circle joins the next, they create a vibrant network, weaving together the stories of progress and shared values. Growth and Unity is a testament to love and to harmony, reflecting Webuild's ongoing dedication to building a future that embraces unity, growth, and the enduring journey towards harmonious coexistence with Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander communities.